Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny. So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my first FabFitFun box ever. So if you want to see what I got, then don't go anywhere and let's continue with the video. Okay, so I have my box here and I just got it today. I have not opened it at all because I really wanted to get my reaction in camera for you guys. And like I said at the beginning, this is my first FabFitFun box ever. I don't know why I waited so long to sign up for this, and it's probably because every season it didn't really convince me, or I didn't see items that I would really die for, and I thought it was a great deal, I guess. But this spring box, I mean, I saw so many freaking videos of people opening their boxes. It really convinced me, so I was able to customize certain items, so I know certain things that I was able to select. So I'm not gonna be 100% surprised, but I don't know about the rest, so let's just dig into it. Okay, I like the interior of the box as well. It's really pretty. I'm pretty sure many of you already have this box, and I'm probably the last person on earth to get it, but who cares? I wanted it. So first thing, they give you this little magazine, which I have not opened, obviously. And let's see really quickly. Okay, so this is where they tell you what's in your box, and I guess what are the possible products that you can get. Okay, I see some cooking recipes, ideas here. Okay, I'm not gonna go through the whole magazine here with you guys, but I definitely wanna look at the page where they show you the items that you're getting and also the value of the items. So I know that some of these items are pretty expensive, and since this was my first box, normally they are what, like $49.99, let's say 50 bucks, right? But because it was my first time, I was able to use a $10 off box. So honestly, that really just convinced me, because I know some of the products in this box are already gonna cost more than the $50, or in my case $40, I guess. So I'm really excited. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side. The first thing I see is this little gift card that I can use at HelloFresh, but I guess you have to order something and then you get money off, so it's not necessarily a gift card. You have to purchase something. I don't know where to start, but I'm just gonna start grabbing things randomly. So this is an item that I knew I was gonna get because I actually selected it. This is the Course Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Recently, I have been so into sleeping facials. If you don't know this about me, I'm such a skincare junkie, so I really love trying out new skincares. So I know that this brand is pretty expensive. I've seen it at Sephora, but I don't think I personally have tried anything from them. It smells really good. Ooh, I really smell the roses though. Okay, and I can see the consistency is pretty thick, so I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. And honestly, just this alone makes up for the box itself. It says that it retails for $48. I mean, that's more than what I paid for the box, so I'm really happy about it. And I forgot to mention that I originally wanted to get one of the Ways, whatever you say, those sunglasses, the cat-eye ones, this one right here, because I know that they run for like about $50, so I knew that was a really good deal. But when I signed up for the box, it was already sold out, so that's the reason why I also got this one. But either way, this is a really good option for me because I needed a sleeping mask. So instead of buying something else, I knew this was a good deal. So this item, I really wanted it because I needed something like this. And instead of, buying it alone, I decided to buy the box because they had this option. I know, right? Well, it is a good deal, but it is the Show Me Your Momu robe. So this is what it looks like when you get it outside of the box. It feels pretty thin, but I mean, we're already into spring, so the weather is just getting warmer. I really like the print of this. And this one retails for $84. I don't know if I will pay $84 for this alone. I mean, I can go to Walmart or, I don't know, buy one online, but it does look pretty. I mean, this is what it looks like, but it feels really nice. I mean, the material feels nice. It's a little bit thin, but it does feel like good quality. I've never seen this brand before, so I'm really excited to start using that. So just for those two items right there, I knew that this box was a really good deal. You know what I mean? Okay, next. So for my next option, this is something that I also got to select. So this is the Lavito Aromatic Body Lotion, and it says that it has mandarin, orange, and bergamot. It's supposed to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. And this one retails for $19. Okay, it does have the protector, so let me remove it because I really have to feel everything. I have to smell everything to make sure it's something that I will like. Let me see. Okay, you definitely smell the citrus scent, which I like. It smells pretty good actually. When you start rubbing it and warming it up, I feel like it develops the scent even stronger. So far I like it. It's not too light, but it doesn't feel too thick either, so I like that so far. And that was my option between the little measuring spoons or a mystery item. Obviously, I went for the cream because I don't need those measuring spoons. I already have a lot in my kitchen, and I didn't want to risk it with the mystery item because some people got like the silicone sponge to apply your foundation. I don't know if you know what I mean. What is it called? The makeup drop? Something like that. But the point is that that wasn't something that interested me, I guess. So I really wanted to get the lotion instead. So the next item I got is this little necklace right here, which I really like. I think it's pretty. And this one retails for $30. But the only thing that I'm sad about is that this is one of the items that I was not able to customize. I really was expecting for the bottle, the water bottle, and you can either get the necklace, some setting powder, I believe, and the water bottle, and I really wanted the water bottle. I was expecting I could get that. I guess this does retail for $30 and the water bottle would have been $20. I don't know, I think I could have used the water bottle better, but that's okay, I guess. I mean, I already got my money's worth so far, so I shouldn't be complaining, right? So the next item that I got is this jump rope by the brand 11, and I believe it retails for $15. I don't know if they had different colors, but mine is blue, so I mean, I think it's cute. I like it. I definitely could use it, I guess, now that I have it, right? In that category, I guess the other thing that would called my attention was the Tulip Purifying Face Cleanser. So I got the robe, and the other option were these two things. This was like a body cleanser. All right, the next item I have is this Way Leave-In Hair Conditioner, and I have actually tried out this brand before, not this specific product. I know they are very expensive, and I think I tried their like wave sprays, something like that, that it makes your hair wavy, and I really like it. I mean, I know their products are high quality, and this alone retails for $26. Let's see what the claims are. So this is a multitasking leave-in hair conditioners that it helps to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties. Oh, and it also provides heat protection. So I guess that's a winning $26. Yeah, that sounds about right. So I'm really happy that I got this. Okay, next, I'm happy that I got another skincare item. And this is the Dr. brand Needleless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Oh my god, who comes out with these names? They're so freaking long. But I guess essentially it is an eye depuffing gel, which I could need because if you see, I have very pronounced under eye bags, so I definitely can use this. And this one retails for $42, and it says that it can reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see. I've heard like mixed reviews on this product, so I don't know. I mean, obviously I'm gonna try it out now, but this is what it looks like. So it's pretty decent size. I think you get, let's see how much this is. Okay, this is half of an ounce. And let's see. Okay, I wish it had like a ceramic or like a coolant type of applicator, because I know that that helps with depuffing the under eyes, but we will see how this works. So I guess I can give you an update if you want at some time after I have tried this out. So yeah, that's $42. I mean, I know that that brand is expensive, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think this is the last item, which I'm kind of sad about, because I don't know about you, but it gets me excited to just start, you know, opening a box. I don't know, I shop online all the time, so I love that feeling when you open up your package and you get your things. Sometimes obviously you know what you're getting and it's expected, but with this box I didn't know all of the items that I was gonna get, so I'm sad this is the last item. And this is by the brand Manakadar Champagne Body Scrub. It retails for $24, so I can totally use this. This is formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, and it's just a body scrub. I like the packaging. Let's see the smell. So it has this little protecting shield. Okay, oh my god, the scent on this is so good. It smells really good. I really like how this smells. Ooh, okay, I'm definitely gonna try this out tonight when I shower. Now, I really love when you get a good deal, so I wanna add everything up and see how much was my actual value. So my total value was $288, which it's a really good deal. It's a pretty good deal considering that I only paid $40 for this box, obviously plus taxes and whatever they charge you. So I got pretty much over $200 worth of free items, which I'm not mad about. I think honestly this box was a really good deal. I mean, it was the first time that I got it, so I'm not disappointed. So overall, I am really pleased with everything that I got in the box. I mean, I already knew that just based on the items that I had already pre-selected, it was going to be a good deal. But overall, I think it was definitely a great deal. I don't think I'm disappointed with anything. I'm pretty much excited for everything that I got. If I'm being very picky though, the only thing is the necklace. I wish I would have gotten the water bottle, but so depending on what I see in the summer box, I might get that one as well, because it was not disappointing at all. I'm really happy with my box and it was definitely a great deal. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that I am super late to this, but I still wanted to do an unboxing video because it was my first box ever, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.